Today everyone, we're gonna speak on the trades as we usually do. We got two trades today, Euro and EURUSD, GBPJPY, as you can see up here. I'm gonna do the MT4 before and after as always. So we're gonna start off with the EURUSD and why we took it. So as always, we're coming in at 9 o'clock. Here's 9 o'clock. This candle here. We're coming in, we're breaking structure downwards. And this is a move. This move here for 1430 was news, so I was not looking so much about this structure. The only thing I was targeting was this imbalance. As you can see, you should see that on the MT4 screen. We targeted that, and it came down perfectly. So 30 minutes down, we're coming down. We're breaking structure points, we're coming up, and we want to take the sell. And this is the important thing, guys. You need to listen to this one. You are taking the trades like this. This is why most of your setups fail, because you're taking this setup here. This is your setup, and then you're targeting down. But you cannot take this setup because it can grab you out. So if you want more probability to your strat, you need to wait for the confirmation, and our confirmation is the candle break. As you can see here, this little line I draw out here. We came down, close below. It doesn't matter if it's a wick or candle. We close under the wick. What does that mean? It means that we get more probability in our favor that the trade wants to go short. When you add those things up, so first of all we're breaking structure. Now we have maybe 20% probability the trade goes in our trade. We have the 30 minute. Now we have 20% more probability the trade goes in our way. And then we get the entry in the entry, and then we get 20% more probability, and that's how you fix your win rate, if you understand what I mean. And then we took the trade, as you can see on the MT4 charts. We took the trade, stop loss here, and we're targeting the 30 min, and that was a clean ass trade. And you always have to remember, guys, we still have imbalance up here, so do not sit and cry if the price come up here, because it can. I'm taking this trade and the stop loss here. I can have my stop loss up here, because this is the most safe place to have it, because we could get grabbed out. But that's not my strat. But it's not, you shouldn't be confused if price taps you out here, because it can tap you out. And you need to be willing to accept it, because if I have my stop loss here, the risk to reward is going to be lower, so I have it here, because this is my strat. So this is the things you need to think about when you're trading. Always fix your probability, and always think in probability. We never know when price will reverse. And here again, we're coming down. This is the same thing, guys. We're coming down. You can see the clock down here. We're coming down. This is the 9 candle, Swedish time. We're looking at the structure. This is the same thing. We have imbalance here that we want to get filled. We're still bearish in this move. We're coming in at 9 o'clock. We're seeing that price comes up in it. I was first when I came in, I wanted to take the short from this place, but as you can see on the time, I have a strict rule: do not take trades after before 9 o'clock. And as you can see, it's 8:55 here, so we cannot take the trade here. But this is a valid setup for me to take it here. And then we get another candle, and I didn't like this candle, so we were waiting for another grab. And I believe the GBPJPY MT4 screenshot should be up now. We're waiting, we're coming up, we're breaking structure, but we're looking at short, and we're breaking the candle that should be holding, because this move is filled, so we should just push through this. So when we see this stuff right here, we're taking the trade. I believe I got a kinda shit entry on this one. and I took partials here. And if you can see on the 1 hour, we were targeting the 1 hour imbalance. Sometimes, because if you look at the 30 minutes, there's no imbalance, but sometimes you need to zoom out even more. Here we got a clean imbalance where price reversed later, and you can also go my long-term TP, if this trade was to run, was down here, but we didn't get it. But it was a super good day, so it doesn't matter. You don't need those big moves, stupid moves. Guys, this was all. I'm gonna keep on posting those videos if you want. So leave a comment or something, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.